Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install DivineRPG, um, just in case you're wanting to play on a server that is using DivineRPG, or if you just want to play single player with the mod installed. So we're going to need a couple different things. First, you're going to need a program called Minecraft. So we can get to Minecraft. Just quick Google Minecraft. I think it's Minecraft.net. Yeah, right here. So from here, you just hit get Minecraft and fill out all the information. Seems like it's kind of expensive. $26.95 is actually quite expensive. I'm not sure why it's $30 now. I know when I got this game back in alpha, I'm sure it was less than. I'm 100% positive it was less than $5. But and maybe they have sales on it sometime. I don't know. Just look for the best price if you can get one. But otherwise, you have to get through the main site, get Minecraft, you get the information. They send you, I don't know how they do it anymore, they send you an email with a code, you have to enter the code. Anyway, once you have your account all gotten, whatever, you can log in and whatnot, go ahead, download it here. And this is your Minecraft.exe. Now, we're going to save this. Let's go ahead and make a new folder, because this is a folder I've just been messing with. So on desktop, we'll go ahead and make a new folder. Let's see, new folder. Name this Minecraft RPG. Okay. So that's our folder. It's on our desktop. This is the launcher, so we'll save that there. All right. Now we have that. So the next thing that we need to get is a DivineRPG is the mod that we're trying to get. So we'll just Google DivineRPG. And the link that we're looking for is Planet Minecraft right here. They have other pages, but for some reason the link isn't working on their wiki. So this is the one that I found that's working. www.planetminecraft.com mod / DivineRPG, dash. I'll put these links down at the bottom of the YouTube page. This is what the page looks like. It's DivineRPG is like an abominable snowman and stuff on here. So from here, the second link is the one that I found that works best. The first one works as well, but the mirror takes you directly to MediaFire. Once you hit the MediaFire, you just download. Alright, we're going to put this in the same folder that we just made on our desktop. So desktop, date modified. Let's find first folder, Minecraft RPG. Alright, we're just going to save it in there for right now. It's the zip file. We're not going to unzip it or anything. There's no reason to. The add-on will do it for us. Next thing we need is Forge. So, as you can see, DivineRPG runs on version 1.6.4. So, we are looking for Forge Minecraft 1.6.4 download. Now, the very first page we come up to is files.minecraftforge.net, which is what we're looking for. And this page, it's the very first link is the one that we're looking for. This is the latest version of Forge for Minecraft versions 1.6.4. This is the version of Forge that it'll be running. So we want the installer for this one. And it's going to take us to an add flat link, which is, whatever. I block those anyway. Skip ad. This will pop up and just wants us to save it. Let's also save this in this PC. No. Let's save this in on our desktop in the exact same folder. Minecraft RPG. Okay, so Forge is now installed. Now I'm going to assume you have Java installed already. Most computers have Java. If you've been playing Minecraft and you also have Java. Anyway, if you don't have Java, then go ahead and install Java. Let's go ahead and get over to that folder now. So let's go to our desktop, I guess it was. Yeah. Find DivineRPG. Oh, it's right here, top. Okay, so if you're running Windows 7 or 8, this next part is really easy. All you have to do is type in percentage app data as one word, all lowercase, percent, and there's a roaming folder. And we're going to bring that up and then click on Minecraft. If you are not running this, or if you're not running Windows 7 or 8, you can still find it. It's generally in the same location. If not, you can just look up where your app data folder is in other OSs. But otherwise, you can get to it by navigating to your C drive. And then let's go to users, whatever user you're currently on. Then we'll go to app data, which is a hidden folder. You have to have hidden folders turned on. Roaming, and then Minecraft. Okay, so we have this open. We're not going to mess with it yet. Your folder, if you've never run Minecraft before, this is completely empty, which is fine. I'll show you how to populate it, okay? And I'll explain why. So we'll use Minecraft Launcher. See, what happens is you haven't downloaded the game per se. This is a launcher. The launcher runs and gives you access to basically the Minecraft servers where all the other versions of the game are installed currently. So you'll be on a profile with your name, you'll sign in, and it'll say probably not this version because this is an older version. So it'll probably say like latest release here. This is what you want to do. You click on the edit profile, it brings up this menu right here. None of these really matter at all, and using old alphas or betas, you don't really need to at all. We're going to be using a normal release version. DivineRPG runs off of release 1.6.4, which is right here. Now, the reason we have to load up this default first is because we don't have any of the files yet. So when we run, yours will probably take a little bit longer than that, but it's going to download the entire client and all that nonsense. So it's going to download and install everything. Now, it's currently done. Your game won't look like this. This is a texture pack called Sphax Pure BD Craft. So my game looks slightly different, but it's the same client. Anyway, from here, I'm not sure if you even have to do this, but just to be safe, go ahead and create a new world, load it up so that you're actually in the game. Break a block. Yeah, it works. Okay, so save and quit the title. Quit game. Okay. Now, let's go back to your app data folder and take a look at it. It should be populated with stuff. You won't have DivineRPG there yet. You won't have, I'm not even sure if mods will be there. Resources pack will be there. Shader packs will not. So if there's nothing in here, just hit refresh. And then you should have stuff. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we're going to run Forge. Alright, now forge.jar, this is technically like a zip file, but it can be ran by Java. So if you double click on it and it just gives you a bunch of lines of code, or it starts extracting a bunch of files, just cancel it. Tell it to stop. We want to right click on it, open with, choose default program, and make sure that you select Java. We're going to open this with Java. Alright, so once you have that set up, it should load up like this. Alright, now we're going to install client. Installing server is something completely different. It's server side, and it's not for like if. Well, you shouldn't be needing my help right now if you needed to install it for a server. If you know how to install for a server, then you're good to go. We're installing your client so you can play on a server or single player using DivineRPG. Okay, so install client. It should automatically know where your Minecraft or .minecraft folder is in your app data, and we say OK, and it'll go ahead and download some libraries. This right here says it's successfully installed. Now, mine says it's 0 required libraries, and it's because I've already done this. If you haven't, then it should say at least 2 libraries that was downloaded, whatever. Anyway, once you see that, hit OK. Lastly, this right here, 1.6.4 beta, we're going to take this and cut or copy, and we're going to go back to that folder that we had you open, that Minecraft folder, and there will be a new folder in there called mods. If not, hit refresh and see if mods is there. If mods is still not there, go ahead and make the folder all lowercase mods and go into it, and what we're going to do is paste that in here. Now I already have it in here, so I'm going to say skip this file, but There it is, right there. These are other things that aren't necessary towards this build. So that's installed. We're good to go. You can just close out of that. We'll run Minecraft, and I'll show you how to make sure that it's launching the new version. Okay? So you go in. Now you should have another profile down here. Forge. This is another setup I did. Here's Forge, and this might pop up at play, whatever, or log in, whatever you need to do. Then press edit edit profile. We'll go ahead and name this Forge Divine or Forge RPG, whatever. And we come down here, use version, okay? Now, if it's not already selected, just scroll down and find it. 1.6.4-Forge and the version of Forge that you're using. And that's the one that we want. Hit save profile. Alright. And now that it reflects over here as well. If it looks right, go ahead and hit play. Might take it a second. It's got like a bunch of mods and stuff in DivineRPG itself. Alright, so we're here now. I can load into single player. Here's the thing, you don't want to play on old worlds that you created without Forge installed, because it won't have any of the new nodes. So if you're going to start a brand new world single player, you want to generate a new one at this point. So balls! Create new world. Okay. I should say thank you for downloading and playing DivineRPG. It spawned me in a hole. Bunch of cows. So, yep. That's that. And then to test and make sure that it was working on servers. Back to game. Oh, back to game. Look at the title. I have a server running. You can just, whatever. Logging in. Yep. Looks like everything is working. I'm running the correct version. So, there we go. That's how you install DivineRPG.